Mihir Shah, Mumbai's BMW brat, has reportedly confessed to his crime. But since the word ago, the hit-and-run case has smacked off a cover-up. Fresh details of the investigation are raising questions on the attempt to wipe out evidence in those 3 days when Mihir Shah was hiding from the police in a flat in Virar. The driver, who was with him in the BMW, has been sent to 14 days judicial custody by a court in Mumbai. During the hearing, the public prosecutor highlighted that the number plate of the BMW is missing. Sources are telling Times Now that the 24-year-old Shinde Sena Neta's son drank twice that night. Once in the bar in Juhu, where he was with the two of his friends, and once in the car when he was driving from Borivali to Malad. Reports suggest when he was in the bar, he drank and two of his friends together drank 12 large pegs of whiskey, running up a bill of rupees 18,000. When he decided to go on his long joyride to Marine Drive, he bought 4 cans of beer from a wine shop in Malad. The statement of the alcohol sellers have been recorded. The cops are trying to find out where the beer cans were later disposed of on the sidelines. The opposition in the state of Maharashtra are firing the setting charge. Jitendra Abad of Sharad Pawar's NCP says the accused was arrested 60 hours later so that he could have tampered with evidence.
वो ऐसा है 60 घंटे के बाद खून में क्या मिलेगा? खून में दारू मिलेगी, खून में ड्रग्स मिलेगा। 60 घंटे में उसने किया क्या होगा? उसने हर 2 घंटे के बाद अपना खून निकाला होगा, टेस्टिंग को भेजा होगा, हर 2 घंटे के बाद खून निकाला होगा, टेस्टिंग को भेजा होगा। जब उसको टेस्टिंग लैब ने क्लियर बताया होगा कि तुम्हारे खून में कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है, पूरा खून साफ है, हो गया पुलिस स्टेशन। अब खून मेडिकल सैंपल लेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। क्या करेगा? His reports will be all clear. क्या करेगी पुलिस? Setting.
And the remand note accessed by Times Now in the case has revealed some startling details. The note details the 6 minutes of dragging horror from 5:25 a.m. to 5:31 a.m. on Sunday. The couple's bike was on the extreme left of the 5-lane road. There was ample space for the car to pass through, but still the car rammed into the bike. The women fell on the bonnet of the car. However, Mihir didn't stop the car. Instead, he accelerated it. As a result, 45-year-old Kaveri's body got entangled in the wheels. At one of the junctions ahead, people in other vehicles asked Mihir to stop the vehicle, but he didn't. The car was finally stopped near the ceiling, where Mihir and the driver changed seats. The driver then ran the vehicle over the woman's body, which was lying on the road. Even as opposition builds the pressure, Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde has repeatedly assured transparency and impartial investigation in the case.
अपोजिशन हमेशा आरोप करते रहती है। उनके पास आरोप के सिवा दूसरा कोई काम है? जो गुनाहगार है उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करना, इसको प्राथमिकता देनी चाहिए। और जो विक्टिम है उनको सपोर्ट करना, ये पहली बात है, वो प्राथमिकता है, उसको प्रायोरिटी देना है। ये पॉलिटिक्स करना है। उनके परिवार को मुख्यमंत्री सहायता निधि से 10 लाख रुपए देंगे। वो हमारे परिवार के लोग हैं और जो भी सपोर्ट उनको लगेगा वो हम करेंगे। जो गुनाहगार है उनको बिल्कुल बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, उनके ऊपर कड़ी कार्रवाई हो जाएगी। जो बार है, जो देर रात तक चलते हैं, पब है, वहां पर और अनैतिक जो कुछ ड्रग्स है, ये सब बेचने वाले जो है, उनके ऊपर भी कड़ी कार्रवाई करने का आदेश मैंने दिया हुआ है।
Both the accused, Mihir Shah and driver Raj Rishi Bidawat, were taken to the scene of crime to reconstruct the crime scene. They were confronted with each other and both confessed to their crime. As per Mumbai police, BMW brat Mihir Shah admitted that he was behind the wheels and that he had asked the driver to switch seats with him. He said they went to Marine Drive that night for a long drive and the accident happened when they were on their way back. He also told the cops that he repents for what he did.